I couldn't come up with any ideas for my next video, and then I remembered that I had some bubble balloons that I had never tried before. My intention was to attempt a beautiful bubble balloon arrangement like the ones above, made by my talented niece Anna. Bubble balloon. Can you tell that I like saying that? But see, I have a bad habit of thinking things over instead of falling asleep. Ideas keep whirling around in my mind till my head feels like it's whirling around too. I didn't want ordinary balloons I had from the dollar store. No, I wanted bright, vibrant colors, bold patterns, horizontal stripes, vertical stripes, and, well, since I didn't have any balloons like that, and I certainly did not want to spend any more money, I thought I would create my own brightly colored, decorated balloon. So here I am, painting my balloons with acrylic paint because YouTube said I could. Yes, I'm painting them without blowing them up first, since the idea of bubble balloons is to inflate little balloons inside of a big balloon. My painting is not neat, but at this point I'm very hopeful and excited to try blowing up my balloons. What happened next was very unexpected, a bit disappointing and funny at the same time. Before you find out what happened next, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. You have to admit that was kind of funny. I didn't account for the stretch of the balloon, and instead of vibrant striped balloons of my dreams, these are what I ended up with. Still, they do have some charm of their own. And so I did. This time I thought I would inflate the balloon first, then deflate, and then blow it up inside the bubble balloon. After some research, I found out that balloons are actually inflated, stamped with special inks, and then deflated again before being sold. The first time I tried this, the paint turned to powder. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera, so I tried again with different results. Let's see what happened.